Now that our Java joke-telling code is really coming along, we've broken it out into its own library. That way we can reuse it across projects. Let's check out how this project works. Inside our Android app build directory, we have this Java jokes directory that contains a stock Gradle Java project, just like we've been building all along. If we use the terminal to navigate to the Java jokes directory, we can use Gradle to build this project on its own, without reference to the Android app. However, our app doesn't yet know anything about this library. What we need to do is declare a compile dependency on the output of this library project. To do that, we need to add the library project to the same multi-project build as our Android app. We can do that in the settings.gradle file of the root project. The settings.gradle file is where we tell Gradle what subprojects to include in the multi-project build. We already have the app project for the Android app, so we'll add the Java Jokes project. There we go. Now if we ask Gradle what projects are subprojects in this multi-project build, Gradle tells us that there are two subprojects, the Android app and the Java library. Next, we need to declare a project dependency between our Android app and our Java library. We can do that in the build.gradle file in the app directory. Here we simply say that our app has a compile time dependency on the project Java Jokes. Now that we've gone ahead and declared that dependency, we can go ahead and import our Java library into our Android project, and we can use the class from our Java library. If we bust out the old test device, here's the joke from our Java library inside our Android app. When you run this multi-project build, if you watch the Gradle console, you'll notice something like this. The app project started running some tasks. Then the Java Jokes project jumped in to create a jar for the app project to use. Well, that's all there is to it, to add a Java library project to an Android Studio build.